Love you.
I think you just scared her. Alright, that was cool. Thank you so much. And now, Anshita, so we have heard that you do a lot of shairi. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, so I want you to say something about all of us here. A shairi that would be really wonderful.
Yeah. जो पास है उसे अपना कहते हैं, जो पास है उसे अपना कहते हैं, जिसे दिल ने महसूस किया उसे खुदा कहते हैं, जिसे दिल ने महसूस किया उसे खुदा कहते हैं। यही है इस दुनिया का रिवाज, यही है इस दुनिया का रिवाज, जो जाता है लोग उसे अलविदा कहते हैं।
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
But this is just the start of the show. इन्होंने कुछ जल्दी अलविदा कर दिया. Well, we really appreciate it and a catwalk on your way back. Thank you so much. I'm going to invite a very close friend of mine. He is almost as tall as me. So let me invite Jitesh Shankaran along with his beautiful family. Let's see the walk.
She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. Oh, I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moves it, I can't take.
Okay, so I'm a little disappointed here, क्योंकि दोनों के बीच में बच्ची आ गई है. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the kid away, okay? And I want to see Jitesh walk with his wife hand in hand, right like just when they got married, okay? Let's have some fun! Alright, so Dilisha is not ready to leave her mom. Okay, so what I want, Jitesh to do is not really show us karate or something. He's really known for that. I want Jitesh to say one really amazing thing about being married. So Jitesh, आपको बताना है, there are a lot of singles in the house actually, eligible bachelors. And just you need to tell them why they should get married. Alright, so Jitesh has some really important tip here, so 1 second.
Bachelors never get married, okay?
Okay, so basically you don't want to really enjoy, you don't want us to enjoy the married life. Is that correct?
Yeah, right.
You don't want us to enjoy that. Okay, so Jitesh is being very selfish. I want to ask the counterpart, what is her opinion on marriage?
I don't have a different opinion.
You can lie, that's okay. Alright, so I just want you to tell all of us that when you got married to Jitesh, so it was an arranged marriage, right? So Jitesh came to see you, right? So what is that first thing that you noticed about him and that you told your parents that okay, I want to get married to this guy? What was it? So we will have to rewind how many years now?
6.
6 years? Okay, that's 6 years of successful marriage, guys. So just tell us, what was that first thing when आपने वो चाय वाय उनके टेबल पे रखा?
नहीं, मैंने चाय नहीं.
अच्छा, cold drink रखा था आपने? Okay. As long as it was not hot drink, that's what my friend prefers. And जब आपने उनको देखा, so what was the first thing that you really liked about Jitesh?
He was very open.
Open as in very frank. Okay, you'll have to be very specific. It's a dirty crowd out here.
He was very frank as to what requirement is.
Okay, fantastic. And I want Jitesh to answer the same question. So when you went to see the girl, what did you really like about her? It is okay. It is all right. It is 6 years back. I know the memories, get erased, but it is okay. You'll have to just tell us one good thing that you really liked about her.
Okay, she was good looking.
Okay. And so you mean to say she's not anymore?
Yeah, she is.
Okay, I'm just messing with you, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, people are giving me a lot of compliments on their way back. I don't know why. Okay, so next up, as you see, we are progressing from couples to kids, right? So I want to go back in time a little bit, and I want to invite some of the most eligible bachelors in town. All right. So to begin with, I would like to invite Niladri Lairi to come up on the stage, and let's see that sexy walk, my man.
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ।
Alright, so Nilu, for you, my friend, it's a very simple question. When do we see your wedding invitation?
After you.
After me as well?
After you get married.
So that's like never happening.
That's all we decided, right?
Okay, so Niladri has recently been to Andaman. You know, he had an adventurous trip. So just tell us one crazy thing that you did there.
I had like 15 beers.
In how many minutes?
No, the last thing I remember was like 10 o'clock in the morning. I was still in the beach. And people were like kicking me and trying very hard to wake me up. I never had this experience before. So.
Fantastic. That was really adventurous, I guess. Thank you so much, Nilu. Appreciate it. And hope to see your invitation soon. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the next couple, which is, the couple who has the most eldest kid. Alright. And I think they already know who I'm going to call. So I'm going to invite Swapna and family to do the walk.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ
Awesome. We don't want you to stop.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ लो बीच
Thank you, Savio. Alright, so Sohan feels left out.
He's left out, yeah.
He,
You should do your own catwalk.
Alright, so yeah, we would appreciate it. If you want to choose a girl, that's okay.
Oh!
We are fine with it.
no
You don't like anyone? You don't?
He probably does, but in front of parents, yeah, matlab,
Oh, I understand. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
But
Not-
we are on the rooftops. You don't have to worry about it.
not too long ago, you guys were also like this, yeah?
We're still like this, actually. Okay, so, Swapna, first of all, just give us a brief introduction about your husband.
ठंडी ठंडी
Okay, huh? Say good things, huh?
We love the chemistry already. Alright.
He's Sudhir Telkar, and he's working in JP Morgan as a vice president, and we are staying in Powai at the present moment.
Alright.
I am not working.
That was very bad, yeah. I'm Sudhir Telkar, I'm a gardener, I'm an ex-cook, okay? And just to bring home the bacon, I work in IT, yeah?
So I'm wondering if she knows about your past. Alright, so
It is because she doesn't, that was why she likes me, huh?
you said something about ex-cook, so I'm guessing she's a present cook now. Okay, and parents are so selfish that they forget to introduce their kid.
No. He's Soham, and he's 10 years old. Now he's in 5th standard, and I hope he goes in 6th standard.
Okay, that is okay. Since he is the byproduct of Atomic 97,
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll have to pray hard.
Yeah, exactly. You got
No, Sohan is a smart chap. I'm sure he'll make it.
Yeah.
So Sohan, you want to say something about your parents?
Yeah. My mother teaches me at home and she's extremely smart.
Wow. And what about your dad?
My father works in JP Morgan.
We know that.
Yeah, and he's the vice president of it.
Okay, so father is not smart. He only works with JP Morgan.
He's smart.
Okay, and he's handsome, right?
Yeah.
Just like you. Okay, fantastic. So now about, so we know something about you. we think that somebody told me that you like to whistle on songs. Is that true? So what song do you want the DJ to play so that you can whistle on it?
What songs do you have? The new ones or the old ones? The old ones?
You're very demanding, yaar.
Okay, without music.
Without music?
Yeah, I will try.
All right, fantastic.
Please don't tease me. I'm doing after a very long
There is no guarantee of that. Thank you so much, Sapna. By the way, what song was that? Oh, okay, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much.
It's Ajib Adas.
Yeah, we got it. Thank you so much.
So now you guys know how we got married, right?
I got it.
I was walking outside BRC, this girl, you know,
She was whistling outside your balcony.
ओए सीधा लड़का है ना, फंस गया ना ऐसा सिटी.
मेरे को एक चीज पूछना है, आप लोगों ने किसी सपना में विसिल नहीं सुना है? Alright, so you're the chosen one. Thank you so much. You guys have been a real sport. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please enjoy the rest of the evening. Alright, so now DJ, let's play some dashing music for this couple, Jitesh, Dominic and Mrs. Dominic. Let's see your walk, man. Jitesh, please don't forget your family.
लंदन में शॉपिंग करने छोरा पटेल नो झुके गया था पढ़ने.
यार मैं एक बात बोलता हूँ यार. Okay, I want to tell you something. This is not catwalk. You want me to do it? I want you to do it again. यार पता नहीं क्या सीन है. Everybody looks very, very low on energy. I think we should have had some hot drinks also. How many people say yes? They already had hot drinks. Alright, let's play the music again. Jitesh, let's do this, man. So, can we have some hand in hand? Yeah, I like it. Yes, I like it, ma'am. I loved it, man. I loved it, Jitesh. So, Jitesh. Thanks. So, Jitesh is a man of few words. You know, he talks very politely, low volume. So, I don't want you to talk at all. And I want Mrs. Dominic. Please hand over the mic to Mrs. Dominic. And I want to know the reason why Jitesh is so quiet. Because he was such a talkative boy before marriage. So I want to know exactly why, what has happened to him. And by the way, Mrs. Dominic is a teacher, if I am not wrong, correct? Yeah, so please.
So you got the answer.
So Jitesh has been taking a lot of lessons of late. Is that the answer? So my question to you is Jitesh, is he an obedient husband or is he a dominating husband? Or he's just a husband?
He's a good, caring husband.
Wow, that was not one of the options, by the way.
I'm a teacher. I give options.
You give options. I'm so sorry, ma'am. Alright, so anything interesting that you want to share about this guy here?
I already said good and caring.
That's not interesting actually, it's very boring.
As of now, you'll have to...
I'm just kidding. So please introduce your kid as well. Yeah, I got to remind parents, yeah, what is this? अपने बच्चे लेके आए ना सब? It's
He is
okay.
Juan Jitesh,
Okay.
2.5 years old.
2.5 years old. Do you like any girls that you see for him? Do you think, is there a prospective bride for him?
I think the girls are bigger.
Bigger for him?
Yeah.
Slightly bigger? Slightly. Okay, got it. Yeah, he wants to say something. Alright, so Jitesh, you know, it's always ladies first, so that's why.
Okay.
So you want to say anything to Atomic 97?
It's basically a very nostalgic moment,
Okay.
you know, with everyone after so long. Basically, I think like we left college 97, it's almost 17 years almost.
यार उम्र पता चल जाती है मत बोल.
So that's it.
So it's very nostalgic for you. Thank you so much for coming and thank you so much ma'am for taking time out for us. Appreciate it. Alright, whom do we call next? Okay. So I think this part of the crowd is really thinking कि मेरा number कब आएगा? And Mr. Manish Modgil is already on the phone. I think he's trying to act as if his girlfriend has called him. So, you know, I would like to invite the second SRK of the group, Manish Modgil. Let's do the walk.
Sweetie, tera pyar chahida.
Punjab da puttar.
Tera pyar chahida. Sweetie, toda pyar chahida. Sweetie, toda pyar chahida.
Alright, Manish, you want to come here? You don't want to stand in front of the speakers. Hey, you want to say something? I know you're eager to say something. Please go ahead.
Manoj was expecting a catwalk from me. See, basically I'm a Punjabi. I don't believe in a catwalk. I believe in jackwalk because I am a jack. So that's why I was showing you that. So now you understood how it came from, basically.
So this rhymed and it crimed and you know it was amazing, man. So Manish, I have the same question for you which I asked Niladri. So when do we get the invite for your wedding?
See, in your life you have all the time to remain married. Once you are married throughout your life till your last breath. So the time